This Saturday night, ScrewHub and Hobby Link International Community going live. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from ScrewHub.com and HobbyLinkInternational.com and SciFiAntasy.com and all those .coms, which actually they're all in one now, so it's easier to find everything that we have on the sites. So this is just a little update video. We have ScrewHub over here on my computer. I don't know if you can see it or not, how the camera is, but this is our new video hosting site, which you can post up your videos, you can link your videos in from YouTube or Vimeo, and you actually can go live on the site now, which we've tested out. It works. You can talk to people. It's got a little live chat. The video feed is fine, and a few things to go over. But I wanted to talk to you this Saturday night. I'm going to go live either 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock Saturday night. I want to see how many people will be around. This way we can adjust the time. If more people will be around at 7, we'll do it at 7. If not, we'll do it at 8 o'clock. What we're going to do is have a series of live videos. Either I'm going to try to do it once a month or once every other week, depending on what I have going on. And we'll get on live. And the live isn't just for me. Live, anybody can use it as long as you're a registered user. You can do your live shows right from here, and I'll teach you how to use that. But we're going to talk about in the live show coming up Saturday night is the MOTY contest. Might do a little bit about Frankenstein if I get more stuff done with him. Plus we'll do a Q&A, questions and answers on ScrewHub, how to use it, how to register, all the little things with this site, plus the Hobby Link International community, the HLI community, because some people register and then they never show back up because they didn't look in their spam or their junk mail, but we'll go over all of that. Because I'm trying to get you guys off the big social media since G Plus is closing down, and get you guys back onto the regular communities, and we can deal with all this modeling stuff. So drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what time you'll be around Saturday night so we can do a live show, and also spread the word about the live show to your friends. Share this video, link it to whatever you got on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, all that other good stuff, or other communities you're in. Try to spread the word. This way we can have more and more people there, and we can teach them about the sites, how to get on, how to register, if you have any problems, who to contact, and all that good stuff. So I hope to hear from a lot of you today and tomorrow. This way we can get it all set up for Saturday Night Live. Not that cheesy new Saturday Night Live. That show is garbage. So I'll talk to you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.